it is important to note that after a few failed attempts in trying the passcode, the door will lock. So after a few failed attempts, the door will lock. You see, it is now locked. Nothing will work. Your fingerprints won't work. Your keypad won't work. Your key card also wouldn't work. When the system is locked, you can either wait a couple minutes, just 3 to 5 minutes. The system will then re-engage. You can either use the manual key, or you can go through your app. Once the system is locked, the app can override it and unlock the whole thing. So go to your app and unlock it using your app instead.